1000 sisters Tammy Slaton headed to skin removal surgery, a movement that fans of TLC's hit reality series 1000 sisters have long been anticipating. Tammy Slaton is finally preparing to take the next major step in her transformative journey, skin removal surgery. After years of personal struggle, setbacks, and incredible perseverance, Tammy's health and weight loss progress has reached a milestone that now qualifies her for the life-changing procedure. The announcement, which came during a heartfelt scene in the latest season, sparked an emotional response from her family, her medical team, and fans around the world who have followed her story from the very beginning. Tammy Slaton has been in the public eye since 1000 Sisters premiered in 2020. Alongside her sister Amy Slaton, Tammy shared the deeply personal experience of battling obesity, coping with food addiction, and facing life-threatening medical conditions. While Amy was the first to qualify for bariatric surgery and underwent the procedure early in the series, Tammy's journey was far more complicated. Her path was marked by extreme ups and downs, repeated hospitalizations, and moments when it seemed she might not survive. But against the odds, Tammy has managed to make a dramatic turnaround that not only saved her life but now offers her the chance to fully reclaim it. In recent seasons, viewers have watched as Tammy committed herself more seriously to weight loss. Her stay at a rehabilitation facility proved pivotal. There, under constant medical supervision, she focused on shedding pounds, improving her mental health, and building a lifestyle around wellness. Her success was slow but steady, and her family, who had previously voiced doubts about her commitment, rallied behind her as she continued to show dedication and accountability. By the end of that arc, Tammy had lost enough weight to safely undergo bariatric surgery. The procedure, performed successfully in late 2022, marked a major victory, but it was not the end of her battle. As Tammy lost more than 300 pounds post-surgery, her body changed dramatically. Excess skin, a common result of rapid and extreme weight loss, began to cause discomfort, hygiene challenges, and emotional distress. Many who undergo such weight loss find themselves faced with this next obstacle, one that is both physical and psychological. Tammy spoke candidly about the realities of excess skin in her post-surgery life. "It's not just about the weight," she said during an emotional confessional. "It's about how I feel in my body. I've come this far, I don't want to stop until I feel like myself again." Her vulnerability resonated with fans who've seen her at her most vulnerable and triumphant, making this next chapter feel both personal and universally human. Skin removal surgery, often known as body contouring, is a serious medical procedure. It's not merely cosmetic. For patients like Tammy, it can be critical for quality of life. Excess skin can cause chronic rashes, infections, and mobility issues. For Tammy, the surgery is not about vanity. It's about function, comfort, and finally being able to move through the world with confidence. Her doctors have been clear that this next step is essential to complete her health transformation. Preparation for the surgery has been intense. Tammy has undergone extensive consultations with plastic surgeons and her primary medical team to ensure she is both physically and mentally ready. The procedure will target the most problematic areas, including the abdomen, arms, and thighs, places where loose, hanging skin most significantly interferes with daily life. Tammy has also been in therapy to prepare herself mentally and emotionally for the procedure and its aftermath, which includes a challenging recovery process. Fans have taken to social media in overwhelming support of Tammy's announcement. Hashtags like #ProudOfTammy and #TammyStrong have trended across platforms, reflecting just how deeply invested the audience has become in her well-being. Many have praised her bravery, not just for undergoing surgery but for sharing her unfiltered experience with the world. In a television landscape often filled with curated perfection, Tammy's raw honesty has helped destigmatize obesity, mental illness, and the complexity of long-term health journey. Tammy's sister Amy has also been by her side, serving as both a supporter and a voice of caution. Having gone through skin removal herself after her own weight loss, Amy understands the physical and emotional demands of the surgery. "It's tough, but it's worth it," Amy said in a recent episode. "Tammy is stronger now than I've ever seen her. I know she's ready." The bond between the sisters, sometimes strained in the past, has grown stronger in recent months, a hopeful sign that Tammy has not only transformed her body but also our closest relationships. For longtime fans of 1000 LB Sisters, Tammy's upcoming surgery represents a profound moment of closure and new beginnings. Her transformation has been nothing short of extraordinary, from the brink of death to a healthier, more hopeful life. And yet, as Tammy herself often reminds viewers, the journey is never truly over. She has consistently emphasized that maintaining her progress requires daily effort, ongoing support, and a commitment to living with intention. The reality of recovery is not easy. Skin removal surgery often comes with a lengthy healing time, the risk of complications, and considerable pain. But Tammy, now more motivated and mentally grounded than ever, says she is prepared. "I've already gone through the hardest part, facing myself," she stated. "This is the final chapter of my old life. And the beginning of the new me." TLC has confirmed that Tammy's surgery will be featured in an upcoming special episode, giving viewers an intimate look into the experience. From pre-op consultations to the moment she's wheeled into surgery, fans will witness every step. The episode is expected to draw one of the largest audiences the series has seen, signaling the emotional investment viewers have made in Tammy's journey. Beyond the screen, Tammy's influence continues to grow. She's become a symbol of hope for others facing similar challenges. Her candidness, paired with her undeniable resilience, has inspired many to seek help, set goals, and believe in the possibility of change. She's also begun to engage more with her followers through social media, sharing updates, motivation, and words of encouragement. Far from the reclusive figure she once was, Tammy is emerging as a role model for strength and self-worth. Medical professionals involved in her care have also praised her evolution. Dr. Eric Smith, her bariatric surgeon, noted that Tammy has done more than just lose weight, she has transformed her lifestyle. "She's taken ownership of her health in a way that we weren't sure she could," he said. "She's not just a patient anymore, she's an inspiration." Her transformation underscores the importance of comprehensive care that includes medical treatment, mental health support, and family involvement. Tammy's journey is also sparking broader conversations about how society views weight loss, body image, and recovery. For too long, success stories have been framed only in pounds lost or dress sizes reduced. Tammy's story offers a more nuanced, realistic picture, one that includes setbacks, mental health struggles, physical challenges, and emotional growth. It's a reminder that true transformation is messy, nonlinear, and deeply personal. As Tammy Slaton prepares to undergo skin removal surgery, she stands as a testament to what is possible with perseverance, support, and courage. The road ahead may still be difficult, but her resolve is stronger than ever. What began as a reality TV show has evolved into a powerful real-life narrative of survival, resilience, and hope. Tammy's story doesn't end with surgery, it begins anew. And the world will be watching, cheering her on every step of the way. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.